Alright everybody, welcome. Here is attempt number 2 for me. I finished this drawing already today, but the video was too big and I couldn't get it to upload anywhere. So here I go again. I have a nice little setup here. I've got a picture of the cottage on my laptop here. I got my coffee, I got my pool, I'm chilling. Make the best of whatever situation you're in. I'm going to start a drawing of the cottage I sent a picture to you. I will try to do it quick. I will try to do it dark enough so you can see it. Hopefully everything will work and it will be kosher. If you choose not to do the drawing, that's cool. You can do the other option that you had, which was answer a question about some questions about Jefferson crossing the Delaware painting. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna do this as quick as I can. I understand you will not probably do this as quick, but I just want you to see kind of where I'm starting and where my head is at this. The first thing I'm going to look at is where the hills are on the picture. If you look, they're just a little bit past halfway of the picture. There is a lot in this picture. I don't expect you to draw it all if you do not want to. The joy and the reason I chose this picture was because it leaves a lot of options for how difficult or how easy of a drawing you want to do. If you want to do a real basic version of this, you can, without a doubt. If you want to get complicated, you also can do that because there is a lot in this picture. So to start, all I did here was I made the hill that comes down in front of this cottage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark where the roof point is right here. I can mark where the other roof point is, draw a line, and if you notice, we pretty much just have a nice little rectangle here. Remember, basic drawing is all about basic shapes. The beauty of this drawing is it is very shape oriented. The roof starts with a nice basic triangle shape. We have another one here, nice basic triangle shape. And then you have the top of the roof almost makes like a rectangle. So I drew a couple triangles, a couple rectangles, and I already have the basic shape for my drawing. The chimney, guess what? It is a rectangle. I know, crazy, right? So everything I am doing in this drawing is rectangles and triangles. All right, hopefully you can see my lines so far. If I really start looking at this picture, I'm not going to darken the roof, the top line of the roof yet, because it actually has a little bit of a bow in it. So after I drew my rectangle, I would then come back and I would draw the little bit of the bow in the roof. I will have my triangle here. I will have the triangle here. All right, triangles, rectangles, rectangles, and triangles, oh my. All right, so the house is symmetric. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line down the middle of this here, and then I can figure out where my windows go. If you look at the window on the left, it comes right down almost the middle of the chimney to set up where the window is. So we don't have to make any guesses on that. Here is your first window. Since it is symmetrical, we know that it will be the same height as the other window. So we can go ahead and we can take our windows. We now have windows, oh my. All right, so the door is recessed a little bit inside of the brick wall. So I am going to make my door. All right, look at that. It took 4 minutes. I have a complete setup for this drawing. Go ahead, lay it out like this. I will hit up another video in a second to show you where to go from here.